Yeah, g'day mate. It's Chris from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. This is the second day. What I did yesterday is I prepared it all, put down the primer sealer and started laying tiles. This is going to be a beautiful shiny floor. Small grout lines. All the shopping centres have shiny, smooth tiles. You know, some people say, oh gee, what about the slip hazard? But no. Millions of people go through shopping centres with shiny, smooth tiles on the floor. Anyway, the best thing to do, I've just kicked out the clips like that, easy peasy. The very next morning, if you do have a little bit of glue, so like that, it's easy just to get out with your knife because the glue is still green. So of course you're careful with heavy traffic and that sort of thing. But any bits of glue, you try not to have glue in your joints, of course. I'm always a stickler for that. But if there is a little bit, it doesn't take very long, 5 minutes, just to run a knife through your grout lines. Easy peasy. Alright, well, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and I put a video out every 2 days, so it's, you know, it's a fun ride we're going to be on. We'll see you soon. Bye.